How to apply for editor on CapCut. Let's get started. Whether you are looking to join a team or just want to show off your editing skills, applying to an editor on CapCut is easier than you think. First things first, if you haven't already downloaded CapCut, you can get it from the App Store or the Play Store. Once you have got the app, set up an account and start familiarizing yourself with the editing tools. CapCut is packed with powerful features, so take some time to explore and get comfortable with the basics. Experiment with transition effect and sound to make your portfolio stand out. Look for editor opportunities through CapCut's official website, social media, and in-app announcements. Stay alert for contests, challenges, or team roles. Polish your application with your best work, detailing your experience and passion for editing. Follow submission instructions carefully and double-check before hitting send. Keep improving and stay active in the CapCut community. Participate in challenges, share your work, and engage with other editors to increase your visibility. That's it. Follow these steps to apply as a CapCut editor and showcase your skills. If this video was helpful, like, share, and subscribe for more tips.